The Kingston Brass KS266PB tub faucet combines a classic wall-mounted clawfoot design with a bright polished brass finish that instantly becomes a focal point in a traditional bathroom. Its body is made from solid brass, giving it a reassuring weight and durability that feels built to handle daily use for many years. The integrated handheld shower offers flexible rinsing and cleaning, making baths more comfortable and practical without sacrificing vintage charm. A ceramic disc valve system helps keep the operation smooth and resists drips, so you are not constantly dealing with leaks or handle fussiness. The adjustable two-hole wall installation and standard plumbing connections make it relatively straightforward for a knowledgeable installer to fit into existing clawfoot setups. With a generous water flow designed for fast tub filling and a coordinated look that can be matched with other accessories, it suits homeowners aiming for both luxury and long-term reliability.